Have you ever wondered how you can add movie clips into your videos?
Yes, kind of.
Without paying any monthly subscriptions?
I'm listening.
Well, my friend, I'm going to show you exactly how you can add clips like these into your videos completely free. Yes, free. Mate, I couldn't believe it either, but...
Is this a joke?
But first, let me say a big thank you because this channel has passed 300 subscribers. Yes, mate. We did it. So thank you to everybody who's been watching, commenting. You are the best. Let's get into the video. So the first thing that you want to do is launch the good old Google. And then what you want to do is just type in yarn.com. Yarn. Such a funny name. Yarn. Now, as far as my knowledge goes, this website is completely copyright free. I used few of the videos from this website on my last YouTube video, and YouTube uploaded it without any copyright issues.
Great success.
But then you might be thinking, well, Alex, why do I need to use these movie clips in my videos? Well, you don't really. But they're great if you want to express an emotion in your video or create some humor.
He thinks he's being funny.
Now, this website has tons of videos for you to choose from. So the best way to find the right video for you is just to use the search bar. And what you want to do is just type in the sentence that you want to use. The one thing that I did struggle with is just finding the download button. So in order to download the video that you selected, all you have to do is just right click and then save video as. And then this will just download it into your downloads folder. And that's it.
Well, that was easy.
You know, we should start doing like 2-minute tutorials every week on this channel. That'd be pretty cool. Call it like 2 minutes something. It's not quite there yet. I'll think of a name. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. And again, if this video has given you any value, then please hit the subscribe button and help this channel grow. But for now, I will see you in the next video. Cheerio. That was like a 1 minute this time. Mate, I'm boshing these videos.